Hey guys, it's Nelly. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because I am going to be starting a new series here on my channel, and it is going to be a home series, hence why I am sitting in my living room. I've been wanting to do this since I moved into this home, but I'm finally at a place with my house that I feel comfortable enough to share certain things because this place was a hot mess. Home was a fixer-upper. Lawrence is a general contractor and he pretty much did this whole entire house over. He redid the bathrooms, which that's him right now making noise in the garage. He's always doing stuff. But yeah, the house was a fixer-upper. We did both bathrooms are brand new. We did everything new. The only thing that is not new is the kitchen, which is a project that I have for my home series. And this is why I'm so excited, because even though we've been in this house for about 3 years, there's still a lot to be done. It is a fixer-upper. It's going to take time. I'm really at a place with my home that I just want to get things done quickly, and I have a vision for it. So that's why I wanted to start this home series. And I'm so excited because my first video is going to be tackling my master closet. I have a closet of my own, and I'm not gonna lie, I let it go on purpose. I let it get really messy just so that I can really film an in-depth video on how I organize my closet. And I'm so excited because that is a video that you guys are going to be watching now. Now, this is in partnership with my mama. I have to give her a huge shout out because my mom is known for her fabulous closets. She has pretty much done everyone's closets in the family. She is amazing. She completely took over and transformed my closet. You will see the before and the after. It's ridiculous, it's crazy. So I have to give her a huge shout out because she pretty much took over. When I called her and I told her that I wanted to film it, she was so excited and she was so thrilled. She went to the dollar store, bought a bunch of stuff, showed up at my house, and just went to work. I did write down all of her steps, all of her tips, all of her techniques, and I am going to be sharing that with you guys today. So thank you, Mom, for helping me have a dream closet. Now, my closet is not 100% done. I'm still missing some hangers that are coming in this week, but I go through everything in that video. So without further ado, let's get into my declutter closet organization, which is my first video in my home series video for YouTube. Alrighty, so this is the before of my closet. Now, I'm a little embarrassed to be putting this online for thousands of people to see, but in my defense, I did let this go on purpose just so that I can show you guys the whole process. But as you can see, there's just shoes everywhere, there's clothes everywhere. It just does not look good. I have shoes that are just everywhere. The clothes are piling up, they're coming out, there's bags on the floor. You can barely even walk in here. It has no shape, no form. I tried to keep my clothes color coordinated and it doesn't really work out that well. So yeah, this is the before, and now let's start to work on the after. So the first thing that we did was we pretty much took everything that was on the floor out. So we took out all of the shoe boxes, bags, the pile of clothes, whatever was on the floor, we pretty much took it out. Ooh, my poor mother. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff on my floor. Once the floors are cleared, we started working on the top compartment. Bless me, I sneezed. So the top compartment, what I have up there is my Christian Louboutin collection. I have been collecting Christian Louboutin since I was 15 years old. They have all been very precious possessions. I have bought each and every single one of them because of a meaning or for a special occasion. And like I said, I've been collecting them since I was 15. I actually haven't bought a pair in a while because they're super expensive. These are one of my favorite pairs. And I'm on my own now, so gotta save the money. But we did go ahead and start just putting all of the boxes in order and by size, and just make sure that everything up there was nice and neat. So another thing that we did was we took everything out of the center compartment. I usually like to keep bags, travel bags, purses, clutches. So we took all of that out, also my backpacks. We took everything out just to dust everything and just make it a little bit neater and more organized. So we're going to leave that out for now. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to the shoe shelf. The first thing that she likes to do is take all of the shoes out and just wipe down these shelves with some Clorox wipes. Once the shelves were nice and clean, we started to build up the shoe shelf. So we started by pairing off similar styles together. So we kept heels that were like strappy heels together, wedges together, sandals, everyday shoes. We put all of that stuff together. We're like trying to combine the same styles, and this is my face getting rid of shoes that I didn't want to get rid of, but she was like, you don't use them, you need to get rid of them. That's one thing I love about doing my closet with my mom, is that she pushes me to like get rid of stuff that I don't wear. We also utilized a lot of the plastic containers, if you can see on the far right corner, to store sneakers that I don't really wear, boots that I don't really wear because it doesn't really get cold here in Miami. So whatever I don't really wear, like shoes, but I still don't want to get rid of them, we put that in the plastic containers and we kind of stored them towards the back of the closet so that they were not in the way, but I still had them accessible in case that I did need to use them on any given occasion. So while my mom was working on the shoes, I took all of the clothes that needed to be hung, clothes that were on the floor, clothes that I had stashed that I had no idea I owned. I took everything out and I laid it on top of the bed, and I first made sure that I wanted to keep everything and that everything was going to fit because I have gained a couple of pounds. So I started just to hang them up, put them in hangers and set them to the side so that when we move on to the clothes portion of this video, they were ready to go, and the only thing that we needed to do was just hang them up in the appropriate section that they go in the closet. This jumper that I'm holding up right now was actually a birthday gift from my aunt. Mind you, my birthday was September 14th, so this has been laying on my floor for almost a whole entire month. This was also another birthday gift, and this top was also another birthday gift. I am so ashamed of myself, but I'm happy that I got everything in order. Alrighty, so now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the clothing portion of this video. So now that the floors are clean, the shoes are put away, we are moving on to the clothing. So I had already taken out the pieces that I wasn't going to wear or that they no longer fit, and my mom actually likes to put them in big trash bags, and we give them to my grandparents, and pretty much my grandparents, they either give them to some of their friends or they donate them. And yeah, so I had already taken out the pieces that I no longer wish to wear, and now what we're doing is we are pretty much color coordinating the closet. So I like to have my closet from light to dark, so that is what we're doing. And we're also hanging up the pieces that I just finished putting up in hangers. So we made sure that every single clothing item had a hanger and was hung up in its appropriate spot. I have 3 sections in my closet. I have, well, actually 4 sections. I have a section for dresses and jumpsuits, which is a section that my mom is doing now, and she's kind of putting into the color coordinating style. And then I have a section that's more long sleeves, outerwear, jackets type of section. And then I have a section that's for tops. So in that section, I have dressy tops, casual tops, everything color coordinated. And then on the bottom section, which you will see in just a second, I do have like jeans, shorts, and skirts. And here is the after of the closet. Oh my gosh, it is so different. I am obsessed. I have this whole entire empty space that I don't know what I'm gonna put there now. So let me quickly run through everything. The only thing that we're not in love with is all of the different hangers, but I did order the hangers like these, like the skinny hangers. They just haven't gotten here. So once the hangers do get here, we plan on switching everything out so that everything kind of matches with the hangers. I just really wanted to get this video up. I didn't want to wait any longer, so Yeah, but next time you see the closet, everything is going to be with the same hanger. First thing that we did was organize the top part. I know I have a crazy Christian Louboutin collection, but I have been collecting since I was 15 years old, and most of these I have saved my money for, or they have been Christmas gifts. So yeah. And then so on this side we color coordinated everything. I love to have my closet color coordinated. We have short sleeve, long sleeve, we have dressy tops, and we have more casual tops. Even though these are more of like my going out tops, my more casual tops I do keep in my dresser. So here we have some of that. Then back here we have my outerwear, so anything that's like a jean jacket or something for the colder months is in this compartment. Again, color coordinated by light to dark. And then on this side we have my dresses and my jumpsuits. We tried to color coordinate this as well, but it was really hard because of the amount of like patterns and color that I have. That is the dresses. And then down here we have skirts, shorts, and jeans. So that fit there perfectly. And then going down the shoes, we have heels. So we have dressy heels, and then we get into my flats, which I use the most for work. And then we have my mules or loafers, and then we get into sandals, and these down here are more of my everyday wear around the house kind of sandals. So in this corner we have boots, and also back there, I don't know if you can see, but right behind the jeans I have also boots. Then down here I have espadrilles, and then here I have all of my sneakers, which my collection is growing. I've really been into buying sneakers for working out. So that is the sneakers, and I like to leave them in the boxes just so that I know where everything is at and it stays more organized that way. But yeah guys, this is it. This is the completed closet. I cannot wait to see it once this situation is taken care of, because all of the different hangers right now are driving me crazy, but that's okay because the new hangers should be here this week. So yeah, this is the updated closet. Another thing that I want to do in here is change the light to a more white light, because right now we have a yellow light and I don't really like the yellow. I really want to change it to a white light, so I probably do that this week as well.
Alrighty guys, so that is my closet declutter and organization video. Isn't it so crazy? Like, my closet started so bad, like you couldn't even walk in there without tripping over some shoes, and now I have so much space that I have like a full rack that has nothing on it, which means I can go shopping. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Again, huge shout out to my mom for helping me make this video and for giving you guys and sharing all of her secrets and tips for you guys. She's going to be helping me a lot more in this whole home series because she's very much like me. She loves cleaning, she loves putting things away, and yeah, so she's going to be helping me out a ton, which you will see more of her in this little home series section that I'm starting on my channel. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please let me know down in the comments. Also, let me know any other suggestions you might have for me for this little home series that we are doing over here. I promise you there's so much more content coming. I have so much to do in the house. I have to tackle the kitchen, I have to tackle the bathrooms, the closets. There's a lot to do. So there you go. You guys are in for a wild ride with this whole home series. I'm also doing a gallery wall. Like, I'm so excited for the content that's to come. But yeah, that is it. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new here and you would like to join my little YouTube fam. I would love that. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!